Swarakshar. Not together. Advaita can say Swarakshar. Which all you learn Swarakshar? Tell me. Advaita, I can't hear you. Say. No sound. Abel, say Swarakshar. कौन सा है स्वराक्षर? कौन कौन सा? Able unmute and say स्वराक्षर means क्या है? आ
I U R A I O
A. How you get O A I O A. मलयालम में O हिंदी में O A I O A. Correct now?
I can say.
Okay. Last day also we completed. We write and studied. A I U R A I O A. Okay. The next Vyanjanakshar. Shivata, batao.
Ma'am, I can.
Vyanjanakshar you learn. Shivata will tell. Others please be quiet. Connection problem. That's why your sound is breaking. Ka kha ga kha nga. Cha cha ja cha nya. Pa tha da tha na. Pa pa ta. Where is ta? Ka cha da ta pa. 5 letters each. Ka kha ga kha nga. Cha cha ja cha nya. Pa tha da tha na. Ta tha da tha na. Pa pha ba pha ma. Then ya ra don't miss any letter. Did you all study?
Ma'am.
Yes. Let me check. Okay. Then we learn Aiki Matra word. Bhaiya, Maiya, Dhaila, Naina, Bail. Studied now? Everybody. Bail means who? Ox. Dhaila, bag. Maiya?
Mother.
Bhaiya?
Brother.
Pear means food.
Food.
Okay. Bile ox. Naina. I. That much. Yeah. Okay. All studied now?
Yes.
Okay. Then open. Here also studied. If I give any picture, I will ask here kya hai. What you will write? Here. If it is a rabbit's picture, you can write here gargoshe. If it is a tomato, you can write here tomato hai. That also you learn. Ready now? Take your rough book then. New page. Rough book, yeah. Rough book. Take your rough book.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Take a new page. Close your notebook and all. And listen and write the answers. Question no need to write, children. Okay. You can mute your audio. I'm not muting. You should mute your audio. If you have any doubt, only you can unmute and ask. Don't say any answer. Write the answer in your rough book. After I will ask, you have to show that after correcting. Okay. So everybody is ready now? Yeah. Take your rough book. Everyone open. You can start. Question. First question. Okay. क्या लिखना है first question में? You have to write. No need to copy this question. Write Swarakshar. You have to write Swarakshar.
Words.
Swarakshar likho. No need to copy this question, children. You don't want to write this. You should start from.
Swarakshar words.
Swarakshar words. No, Swarakshar means क्या है? A, right? Without any mistake. Swarakshar means क्या है? It is Swarakshar A, That you have to write. Who is asking Swarakshar word? No need to write Swarakshar. That heading no need to write. You should write A, Complete it. Start A, U. Which all letters you know write without any mistake. Like sometimes I will not say what is Swarakshar. You should learn Swarakshar means A to A. Okay, that letters. Right. Swarakshar liko means write the Swarakshar. You have to write A to A. Jaldi, jaldi. Abel Binoy, write fast. Jeron, did you start writing? Start. Say A. Last letter till A. You complete. Question you have to listen. So Rakshar liko. Iska meaning hai you have to write A and all. Okay, complete it. Question model I am giving. That's why I told write it. So Rakshar liko. Jeron, you start. What you are searching? Pencil is not there.
Ma'am, finished. Yes.
Completed. Completed. The next question. Second question. Vyanjanakshar liko. Vyanjanakshar. Write the Vyanjanakshar. Vyanjanakshar, you know ka. Starting from ka. Vyanjanakshar liko. Write the Vyanjanakshar. Ka. Start from ka. No need to write this. You should write ka. Yara, lava, sha, till ha. Till ha. That much you have to complete. Right.
How only, ma'am?
Not ka, not only ka. Right, ka, kha, ga, kha, nga, cha, cha, da, cha, nya, ta, ta, da, ta, na, tha, ta, da, ta, na, pa, pa, ba, pa, ma, ya, ra, la, va. I can't hear. Who is that?
First one.
First one is Swarakshar liko. Swarakshar, right? A, E.
First.
Studied in first standard onwards. Swarakshar means A, E, and all. Complete it. Vyanjanakshar, you have to complete ka, kha, ga, kha, nga. The next cha, cha, ja, cha, nya. Ta, da. That complete. Next, 5 letters each. Ka, cha, ta. Then pa. After yara, lava. Read and write. Write in the correct order. Don't miss any letter. After completing, check that ka, 5 letters are there. Cha, 5 letters are there. Right. Listen and write. After completing, once again check every letters are there or not. Ka, kha, ga, kha, nga. Each 5 letters will be there. You should
finish.
Those who finish, please be called. After completing that, you have to start ya, ra, and all. Okay, ya, ra, la, till ha. Vyanjanakshar till ha. Ka se ha.
That also finished.
That also Vyanjanakshar. You have to complete till ha. Yeah. Exam, you have to say this kind of questions. Vyanjanakshar liko. Its meaning is you have to write Vyanjanakshar, ka, kha, ga, kha, nga, and all. Okay. Try to understand the question. So Rakshar means A, E. After completing that, the third question is Hindi Shabd liko. Write the Hindi word. Hindi Shabd liko. I will give 2 words. You have to write its Hindi word. Okay. No need to write this. Question. Brother. What is the Hindi word of brother? Right. No need to write this. Second question. What is the Hindi word of I? You are not writing, because of that you have confused. Every time you are using that link, you cannot write if you are using that. Written exam means you have to write the answer without mistakes. Now need to write this whole question. The last question, you have to write the answer of this. A. Yeah. I will show you one picture. You have to write that. Here, I'm giving one picture. वो क्या है? या ये क्या है? The question is this. ये क्या है? क्या है ये? You have to identify from the picture and write the answer. Okay. क्वेश्चन ये है, ये क्या है? क्वेश्चन ये क्या है? ये क्या है? ये क्या है? राइट द आंसर. ये क्या है? क्वेश्चन नो नीड टू राइट ओनली द आंसर. सेंटेंस के बाद क्या करना है वो भी करो. फिनिश.
Finish.
Wait. Those who finish, please wait for others. Some are writing only. Let them to complete.
Now finish.
After completing, you have to write the Hindi word of brother. What is the Hindi word of brother? You should write. I Hindi word you have to write. Then, ये क्या है? Write this question's answer. Only answer need. No need to write the question. Clear, children?
Finish.
Wait. Those who completed, many are writing. Evelyn, Evangeline completed. Are you brushing now with pencil? Then do fast.
I'm finished.
Please wait. Some are writing. Those who finish, please check your answer whether it is correct or not. Okay. You have to check your answer. Please check once again your answer is correct or not. I will show you the answer after you can correct it. Okay. Now just check it. You completed everything. Any answer you miss it? Advait's finish. Advait, you are finished. Show a thumbs up if it is finished. Yeah. Angelica's finished. Now anybody is writing?
Ma'am,
Finish.
what's the third question?
Third question, Hindi shabd likho. Write the brother Hindi word, I Hindi word. I give two English word. You have to write its Hindi word. Harin's finish. Complete it.
Yeah.
Complete. Do which one you writing?
Bhaiya.
Right. Don't say answers. Question only you can read.
I'm finished.
Finish. Okay. Some are writing.
I'm finished.
2 more minutes for completing. Those who did not complete it, you can complete. Only answers you have to write. Okay. Arrow Krishna's finish? Yes. Okay. Now who is writing? One more minute. Please complete it and keep your pencil down and listen. Okay, I will write and give the answers. Check your answer. If it is correct, you have to put a tick mark. If it is wrong, put wrong.
Mom, may I finish?
Yeah. Okay. I think almost everyone completed. Anybody is there for completing?
I'm done. Finish.
Anybody is there for completing? Harin's finished?
I'm finished. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So I think everybody completed. All listen here. What is the first question? I will write the answer. You should check your answer. Check every letters are there or you miss any letter. Okay. Check it. The first question. स्वराक्षर लिखो. क्या करना है आपको? क्या लिखना है स्वराक्षर के साथ? A. First letter I already written. A. E. E. Check. U. You should check your answer. U. R. A. I. O. A. Check all the letters are there or not. If it is correct, you can give a tick mark. Okay, correct. You will get 1 mark for that. A, E, U, R, A, I, O, A. Check. Everybody completed? The next question.
Yes.
व्यंजनाक्षर लिखो. व्यंजनाक्षर का मतलब है you have to write ka to ha. Okay. Ka after which letter? K. Check. G. K. Nga. Is it correct? Check your answer. If it is correct, put a tick mark. Okay. Ka, kha, ga, kha, nga. Any letter is wrong, don't rub and write anything. Okay. If it is wrong, no problem. What you have to do, you have to write and study. Don't try to rub any answers from your book. Clear, children? If it is wrong, you can put a wrong mark. Circle that which one is wrong. The order is wrong, you cannot give any mark. Okay?
Yes.
The next, after ka, after which letter? Ch. 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 Ja. Cha. Nya. Check. If it is wrong, you should not give any mark. Okay? Next. Ta. Tha, da, tha, na. Check your answer. Tha, tha, da, tha, na. Completed. If it is correct, all the letters are correct. You can give. Anyone wrong, you should not give tick mark. You have to put wrong there. Okay. The letters should be in the correct order. 5 letters. Check is it in the correct order. Ta, tha, da, tha, na.
Yes.
The next. Ta, tha, da, tha, na. 5 letters. Ta, tha, da, tha, na. Check is it correct or not? Ta. After dha.
Yes.
Then dha, na. The next. Pa, pa, bha, pa, and ma. Check. Pa, pa, ba, pa, ma.
Yes.
The next question, ya. Ya onwards. Ya, ra, la, wa, sha, sha, sa, and ha. Sha, sha, sa, ha till here. Sa, ha, ka. This is Vyanjanakshar. Ka to ha. Ka, kha, ga, kha, nga, cha, cha, ja, cha, nya, ta, ta, da, ta, na, ta, ta, da, ta, na, pa, pa, ba, pa, ma, ya, ra, la, wa, sha, sha, sa, ha. These all letters are there, then you can give a tick mark. Okay? Okay.
Yes.
I hope you completed your correction. Check every letters. Is it correct or not? The next Hindi शब्द लिखो. Write the Hindi word of brother. Brother का हिंदी word क्या है? क्या है brother का हिंदी word?
भैया.
भैया. I की मात्रा और या plus भैया. Check your answer is correct or not. भैया. Is it correct? You can give a tick mark. The next one is nay. Na. Nay na. I. Naina, I. The last question. Which picture is given there? Then how you will write the sentence?
Yeah.
Ear. Question is ear क्या है? Then what answer you have to write? Ear. Arm है. This is the answer. Ear, arm है. Full stop also needed. Check you put full stop. Ear, arm है. The answer is correct. You have to give a tick mark. Okay. Tick it.
Ma'am.
Tell me.
I have full mark.
Yeah, very good. Now you count the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Each one carrying 1 mark, so 10 mark, 10 out of 10. If you are every answer is correct, you can put 10 marks. Any spelling mistake is there, please cut that mark and count and write your mark.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
क्या है?
Full mark.
Yeah, okay, very good. I will ask. Wait, let everybody to complete their corrections. Everybody can count and write your mark, and all should be ready. I will ask now. You have to show your rough book. Okay.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Completed, everyone?
Yes. Yes.
Those who did not correct it, please correct it. If anyone is wrong, you have to write it or put it wrong there. If it is ka, kha, ga, kha, nga, if you made the mistake, this ga, you are writing this here and this ga is here, that means that answer is wrong. You can put the wrong mark. Okay? You check that it is in the correct order or not. Completed? Yeah. Okay. Now raise your hand. Those who get full mark, show your paper and raise your hand. Yeah, very good. Arav Krishna, Ainal Sabah, Muhammad, Rayan, Ivan Nirmal, Shivada Siddesh, Archa, okay, Archa, Rayan Manu, Ameya. What about Abir? Show little closer. Keep it little closer. Okay. Leon Lijo, Evangeline. Yeah, very good. Advaita. Show. Jonah Jindo. Show your paper, Jonah. Okay, very good, Archa. Okay, Rayan Manu. Okay, I saw. Maria. Okay, Muhammad Rayan. Okay. Now, Harin, show me. Yeah, 10 mark, full mark. Ashik, what about Ashik, Leon and all? Who? Arav Krishna also I saw. Okay. Ainal Sabah, full mark? Yeah, 10 mark. Okay. Pridwin Dev. What's your mark, Pridwin? Full mark? 9. 1 wrong. Which is wrong, Pridwin? Please write and study that. Leon? Diya? What's your mark, Diya? 9. 1 is wrong. Which one? Vyanjanakshara. What you have to do? Which one is wrong? You should write and study. After the class, write and study that again 5 times, which is wrong. Okay?
I get full marks.
Others, those who get 9 mark, please raise your hand. 9, Diya and Pridwin Dev, Angelica. Okay, Danush. Who got 8 mark? 8. Anybody got 8? No. 8. Nobody. 7. Below 7. Anybody got? Vinayak got 8. Correct? No, Vinayak? Write and study which is wrong. Okay. Okay. Because of that, we are conducting this. You have to know that which one you did not learn, and you have to write and study again. That. Okay. It's okay. Anybody got 7? Below 7?
Yes.
Who?
Ma'am. Jaron.
Jaron. What's your score? Show me. Little closer. It's not clear. Can you say the mark?
Yes.
5.
No.
Then
7 out of 10.
7. I asked below 7. Okay, 7 means 3 wrong will be there. No, you have to write and study. Okay, it's okay, children. 7 mark. You should try to get full mark in the next exam. Okay. Next revision test, you can score good mark. Okay. Well done. Those who get full mark, keep it up. Very good. Okay. So today we are going to revise. We are going to revise. Now we completed till Aiki Matra. Now I am going to revise. Which one? Oki Matra. Did you remember Oki Matra words?
Yes.
Which words we learn with Oki Matra? O Matra words. Tokiri, Topi, More, Koyal, Goda. Did anybody remember these words?
Goda horse.
Goda horse.
Horse.
More. कौन है more? More peacock. Tota. कौन है तोता? Parrot. Okay. Next. Koyal. Koyal Rani. Kuhu kuhu. गीत गाने वाले कुक्कू. Okay. Koyal. घोड़ा. टोपी. क्या है टोपी? टोपी क्या सीखा हमने? टोकरी. क्या है टोकरी? Basket. Okay. We can write and study. Please take your rough book. Now we will write. Okay. Take your rough book. We can write 3 times now. After the class, you should write and study 5 times. Okay. Then only you will study the spelling. But we will not get enough time. So you have to write 3 times here. Okay. Okay. Open. The first word ये है O की मात्रा. Next we are going to write O की मात्रा. ये है O की मात्रा. So we will write first letter word टोपी. टोपी. क्या है टोपी? Hat. Write it 3 times. 3 times.
Can study.
Now revision time. Reading and writing only.
Ma'am, right.
Yeah, children. You have to write. This revision. We are going to revise. Okay, matra. Start topi, hat. क्या है टोपी का मतलब? Hat. Write topi. Read and write without any mistake. Ta plus to. Topi.
Finish.
Topi. Hat.
Finish.
After finish completing, you should read. Don't say, ma'am, finish. You can read. Okay.
Hat.
The next word है टोकरी. 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 Spelling देखकर पढ़ो. टोकरी. टोकरी. Basket. Basket. टोकरी. Basket. टोकरी. Basket. टोपी, hat, टोकरी, basket.
Finish.
The next word क्या है देखो? कोयल. कोयल. का plus o. कोयल. Who is कोयल? कुक्कू. कोयल. कुक्कू.
Koyal.
कुक्कू.
Koyal.
कुक्कू.
Koyal. Koyal.
Koyal. Kuku.
Koyal. Kuku.
Also treat koyal.
Kuku.
Next word more. Peacock. More. Peacock.
Koyal. Kuku.
Koyal. Kuku. More. Peacock.
Koyal. Kuku. Koyal. Kuku.
Wait. After completing, you should read it, children. When you are writing very slow, for exam I am waiting. Tota. Tota, parrot. Parrot. Tota, parrot.
तोता पैरट कुक्कू
Read and write. कोयल, मोर, तोता. The next word क्या है? ओ की मात्रा से हमने घोड़ा पढ़ा. घोड़ा. घोड़ा एक जानवर है. कौन सा जानवर है घोड़ा? Horse. घोड़ा तेज दौड़ने वाला. Horse. Sixth word is घोड़ा. टोपी, टोकरी, कोयल, मोर, तोता, घोड़ा. Angelica, can you read these words?
टोपी hat टोकरी basket कोयल कुक्कू
मोर,
मोर पीकॉक
तोता, पैरट, घोड़ा, horse. Don't make sound, children. Some are making noise. Arav Krishna, can you read this? Read.
टोपी hat टोकरी basket कोयल कुक्कू मोर पीकॉक तोता पैरट घोड़ा horse.
Horse. Okay. Devananda, read. Devananda, read. Devananda, can you hear me? Read. Hat.
टोपी hat
Next. टोकरी
basket कोयल कुक्कू मोर पीकॉक तोता पैरट घोड़ा horse.
Okay, very good. Now, Prithvin Dev, unmute and read. Prithvin. Read the words.
टोपी hat टोकरी basket कोयल कुक्कू मोर पीकॉक तोता पैरट घोड़ा horse.
Horse. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ain Al Sabah. Ain, can you read? Al Sabah, read. Ain, unmute. Ain, read. No answer. When I will call Ain, Ain will not ready to respond.
Yes,
Mohammed
ma'am.
Rayyan.
Ma'am.
Ain is there?
टोपी hat टोकरी basket कोयल कुक्कू मोर पीकॉक तोता पैरट घोड़ा horse.
Horse. Okay, very good. The next class we will revise Auki Matra also, and I'm going to teach you a small reading chapter is there in your textbook. So after completing this Kavva Nauka, I will take a revision test also Auki Matra and Auki Matra. Okay. After that we will read that. So Kavva, you know who is Kavva? Shibada. Auki Matra words also we studied. No, Kavva means who?
Crow.
Crow. Okay. Nauka, क्या है nauka means?
Boat.
Boat. Okay. पौधा, क्या है पौधा का मतलब? Plant. तौलिया, क्या है तौलिया? Did you remember तौलिया? Towel. Okay. चौकी, stool. मौसम? Season. Okay. The next class we will revise that. You can read and come that in the next class. Okay. So hope everybody completed it or completed this 3 times. Archa completed this. Can you read Archa this word? Read. Tokri basket. More. Goda. Horse. Okay, children. So the next class, O and OU also we will revise. After I will take a test. That also you have to write. I will send the link. Okay. Any test is there? I will send it in the evening time. You can do that. But somebody is asking something. What do you want to ask? Abel, are you asking anything?
Also there.
क्या है?
Shape.
Ling. If not now, that I will send it in the class group. That time you can do. Okay. Not now. Now you completed. What?